Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I wanted to show you really quickly how to do this beautiful holiday festive eyeshadow look. Well, really the full eye look, because I'll show you how to do the wing liner as well. And guess what? It's only using one eyeshadow and one brush. It doesn't get any more simpler than that. So today I'm going to be featuring this cream eyeshadow from Self Love Cosmetics. And the name of this shadow is Pinky Promise. And let me show you what the inside looks like. It's a complete cream eyeshadow. It is so pretty. It's almost like a beautiful pearl pink, but it has some really nice iridescent colors, which I thought would be great for the holidays. Anytime you have something that's kind of iridescent, where you can get like a wash of glitter or shimmer, it's so much easier to kind of bring some pop to your eyes. Also, for this look, I went in with their liquid liner. Where is it? Here it is. This is the felt tip liner in the shade Black. And again, this is by Self Love. And this is what the tip of the liner looks like. And it's so awesome because it helped me to create these sharp wings, which is so good because for people like me with hooded eyes, creating a wing is pretty difficult when you have that extra flap of skin on your eyes. And last but not least, I used their mascara, and this is the Luxury Waterproof Mascara, and of course it's in the shade Black. And I'm going to show you what the wand looks like. Really fat wand, and you know fat wands are awesome. There it is. Yep, so that's the wand. And then I went in with some lashes. These lashes are actually from my collection. These are called the Girl Boss, and these are from my FABULASH collection. And I'll also leave in the description bar how you can purchase these as well. But this look is super simple. I use my finger to really apply the shadows. I only use a brush, a clean brush with no product, to blend it out to give this nice sparkly iridescent look. And then I'll show you everything else in the video. So if you're interested in seeing how to create a beautiful holiday festive look using one eyeshadow and your finger, please continue to watch. Okay, so I know in the intro I said I used the pink eyeshadow, but actually I used Spice Girl. So that was my mistake. So I'm just taking my finger and I'm figuring out where exactly I want it to go. And typically what I do is I rub it around just to kind of warm up the product, and I use the pads of my finger to get it right over the mobile lid. Now the beautiful thing about a cream eyeshadow is that it is buildable. Cream shadows are pretty much creams, but they go on like powders. So because of that, depending on how much body heat you use with your finger, you can almost dilute, I guess you could say, some of the color. So you have to kind of be careful with how you apply it to determine how much color payoff you actually want. Now for me, I know I want a lot of color payoff. So I'm just going to keep dipping into my pot using the pad of my finger to build the color onto my lid. And as you can see, I'm slightly taking that color up into the crease, and I'm also going down into the inner corners of my eyes. So this is where that one brush comes in handy. Now this brush is actually a clean brush. It's just product that's left over from me doing the previous eye. You want to grab a clean, fluffy brush, and you want to take that brush and use windshield wiper motions going back and forth, and we're just going to diffuse and blend that product into the crease. We want to take away some of the patchiness that our finger may have provided. So as you can see, there's no product added, but it looks so much neater. And I'm just going back and forth with windshield wiper motions until I feel like it looks like it's blended into my crease. And now I'm just taking my finger to blend out some of the areas that may have fallen out underneath my eyes. Going in with my black felt tip pen by Self Love Cosmetics. This pen, y'all, is so amazing. Look at the tip. Because the tip is so fine yet so sturdy, I'm able to create straight lines when I'm doing my wing liner. And as you can see, I typically lay the tip of that liner up against my lash line just to get my strokes started. You want to take very slow but yet steady strokes, because again, you want this line to be straight and you don't want it to be splotchy. So I basically go from the outer to the inner, and I'm constantly connecting that line to get the thickness that I desire. Another tip is you'll see me hold my skin taut. So if you can see, I'm pulling that eye back and keeping it straight. That is to keep some of the wrinkles that may occur out of my line. So I love to pull that skin back. Now with me having hooded eyes, I have to pull the skin back, and I'm constantly measuring to see where that line will be. Because with hooded eyes, sometimes our wings get lost within that fold. So you may not have to do this if your eyes are not hooded. And see, look how straight that line is with the tip. I actually poked myself in the eye. Don't do that. But do you see how straight that line gets with the tip? Now, wing liners, y'all, listen, if you're a pro at it, God bless you. This is not one of my strong suits. So as you can see, I'm going back and forth, just trying to make sure that I get them pretty much the same size. But do you see the sharpness of that liner? Like this black tip, the felt tip liner is definitely an A+. I think Self Love did an amazing job with this. I mean, for people like me, this was just a godsend. Like, my wing liners have never ever looked this good. So as you can see, I'm just going back in and I'm blending just a little bit. And now I'm picking up some of the mascara by Self Love. And I have very fine lashes, so I'm just going to go in with a few coats of this mascara. I wanted you to see the wand. It's a very thick wand, and we all know how much we love a thick wand. And this wand is so good because it really separates the lashes. I typically wear lashes every day. So I like to go in and just separate my lashes some with the mascara so that my false lashes will kind of like have a shelf to sit on. So I went in and added a pair of lashes from my lash line. These are called Girl Boss, and I'll have a link down below if you're interested in purchasing a pair. So this is really the final look. I wanted you guys to really see how easy this was. We literally used our finger. We used one eyeshadow, a liquid liner, and mascara. And look how beautiful this look is. My eyes, I feel like they stand out and they sparkle, and it was easy. So this is definitely a beginner-friendly tutorial, and Self Love Cosmetics makes it very simple for anyone to use their products. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hit me with a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to show you awesome looks just like this. And thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.